Welcome to the second video that I'm creating. Due to Pacers tickets in the suite for free, I'm going to have to cancel class tomorrow. So just kind of an overview. Week 1 is pretty calm. A lot of you have already done the first discussion board. So I just want to walk through real quick and maybe answer any questions you might have. You should be watching all of the section videos. So you can see if you go in here, for section 1, there's 3 videos and they're pretty short. They walk through your workbook that you should have received in the mail. So section 1, section 2 has a few more videos because they're a little more in depth, and section 3 has quite a few, right? But they're all pretty short, anywhere from, I would say, probably 2 to 7 minutes. You don't have to watch them all at the same time, but it's best to at least watch them at some point in time. So make sure you're watching those videos and filling out your packet. That's what you want to do there, all right? So watch those videos sometime this week. Then you have the discussion board, right? Your introduction, just answer those questions. Anytime this week is good. I'm going to start replying probably tonight. Now, in the Webwork orientation, so when you go into this, it's going to take you right into Webwork. I believe it's number 6, and I believe it's the 3rd part. Okay, so there are 3 different parts to this. Now, this, your solution, see how mine says solution down here? Oh, I just clicked it. Not everybody's populates because this is dumb. So right here is the answer. You just type in the word yes. So in the Webwork orientation, number 6, part 3, you just type the word yes. Okay, but you're going to want to go through the Webwork this week as well for these 3 sections. All right, and we want to always hit submit answers now that I have fixed that and it's showing up. All right, so again, you've got 3 sections of Webwork. At any point in time, if you get stuck on one of these questions, shoot me an email. All right, and I do have a help video for this problem right here. I'm going to write myself a note. I'm going to post that help video. So always look in the announcements for help videos because they may be there. All right, so section 2, number 18, write myself a note, help video. That way you can watch that and kind of go with what's going. I think 17, yeah, you're good there. Okay, and I think I've already talked about this, but you can always go to my YouTube page and search for videos because I have a lot of stuff there. All right, so 3 Webwork assignments, and remember, those aren't technically due until December, so don't freak out if you're missing 1 or 2 problems. Shoot me an email. I'll get back to you within a day or 2, and then you can move on with that. The last assignment that's due on Monday is the first quiz. Now, you will notice you are allowed 2 attempts, and the higher score is taken. So after you do all the homework and you feel comfortable, take the quiz. If you're not sure what you did wrong, shoot me an email, ask me a question about the quiz. I'll check it out and get back to you, and then you can take it again. Some people take it, find out what they did wrong on their own, and they move on their own. It's up to you entirely, but you do have 2 attempts, and the higher grade is recorded. If you get through all of that, high five yourself. That's week 1. Okay, and remember, this is an 8-week course, so things are going to move a little more quickly than if you were just in a 16-week course. Everything is open in this course, meaning if you finish all of this stuff for week 1 on Friday and you're bored on Saturday afternoon, feel free to get into module 2. So next week, we'll be doing 3 more sections. We'll have, and we get into our first Excel assignment. Now, one thing with Excel assignments, again, this is next week, but there are help videos embedded in some of them, and there are help videos on my YouTube page. So, or shoot me an email and I will get that to you. So again, this week you are really just tackling module 1 and everything that's in it. If you have any questions, get those to me and we'll get them taken care of. Thanks, guys.